If your hair feels frizzy, dry, dull, and impossible to manage, and you've been thinking about a keratin treatment, but you don't want harsh salon chemicals, then this video is for you. Because today, I'm sharing a simple, vegan, at-home keratin-like treatment that can make your hair look smoother, shinier, and more manageable in just one use. Now let me be honest, this is not a permanent salon straightening treatment, but if your goal is to reduce frizz, soften rough hair, and get that silky finish naturally, this works amazingly when you use it regularly. The main ingredient is okra, also called ladyfinger. It contains a natural gel that coats your hair strands like a smooth protective layer, giving a keratin-style finish without damage. Now here's the recipe, which is very simple. Take 5 to 6 fresh okra pods, wash them, and chop them into small pieces. Add them to a pot with 1 to 1.5 cups of water and boil for 10 minutes. After boiling, the water will turn thick and slimy. That's exactly what we want. Turn off the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Now blend it lightly and strain it using a thin cloth or fine strainer. You'll get a smooth okra gel. In a separate bowl, take 1 tablespoon rice flour. If you don't have rice flour, use cornstarch. Add 1/4 cup water, mix well, and make a smooth liquid. Now take the okra gel in a pan on low heat and slowly add the rice flour mixture while stirring continuously. Stir for about 1 to 2 minutes until it becomes a creamy texture. Turn off the heat and strain it one more time while it's warm for a super smooth cream. Once ready, add oil based on your hair type. If your hair is oily, add 1 teaspoon coconut oil or olive oil. If your hair is dry and frizzy, add 1 to 2 tablespoons. Mix it well. Now apply this cream on damp hair from roots to ends, section by section. Cover with a shower cap and leave it for 60 to 90 minutes. After that, rinse with plain water only. No shampoo the same day. Let your hair air dry naturally. You'll notice your hair looks smoother, softer, shinier, and much easier to manage. Use this 1 to 2 times a week for best results. If this helped you, hit like. Subscribe for more natural hair tips, and also comment keratin if you want my full weekly hair routine. Thanks for watching.